Take the next one. Any doubts? Clarify? Okay. Take another one. Solve sixth problem in the text. Sixth one. Sixth question from the text. Sixth one. Okay. Yes. You take the next one. Problem is. Yes. Next. Is it 11th or 12th? The 12th problem. Okay, can take. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11 C8 5 2 so on. You have to check whether a given term is an AP. See, in this type of the problem, how to solve? Yes. How to solve this problem? Check whether 150 is a term or not. First of all, you have to note down the given AP. Given AP is 11, you have 8, 5, 2. Right? You have to check whether 150 is a term of the AP or not. Means again you have to find out n only. If that n is not a fraction, if n is a whole number, then that will be a term. If n is whole number, then it is a term. N is not a whole number, then it is not a term. Right? Very simple. What is A in this case?
11.
Is 11. What is common difference D? Minus 3, shabash. What is AN is minus 150. You have to find out n is equal to question mark. Similar type like you solved. And let me take, we have, what is AN is equal to? We have, yes you have, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute at the place AN you take minus 150. What is A is equal to? 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. See, you get minus 150 is equal to 11. Remove the bracket. Plus into minus is minus 3 into n is 3n. Plus into minus nodri. Plus into minus into minus. Plus you have 3. Carefully. Step ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Minus 150 is equal to 11 plus 3 is 11 plus 3 is 14. Minus what? 3n. Take a 3n to the left and minus 150 to the right. You get minus 3n becomes plus 3n is equal to 14 plus 150. What you get is 3n is equal to 150 plus 14 will be how much? 164 or 64? 164. Let me continue here. You have what is n is equal to 164 divided by 3. Can you cancel and get a whole number? No, it is not divisible. Therefore, as n is a fraction, conclusion is fraction. Minus 150 is not a term of given AP. So, AP ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ AP term ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು. ಯಾವಾಗ? If it is a whole number, then it would have been a term. So, term of the AP. When it is not a whole number, it is not a term of AP. Any doubts in it? Okay. Take the next one. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೋರಿ. Some important questions ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Find the 31st term of an AP. ಇದು ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. An AP consists of 50 terms. Take the problem. Number ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟದ ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಏನು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. An AP consists of 50 terms of which third term is 12. Third term is 12. And the last term is 106. And the last term is how much? 106. And the 29th term. Find 29th term. Study the problem. May appear for up to 3 months and look at the problem. Read the question. An AP consists of 50 terms. An AP consists of how many terms? 50 terms. What is the total? N is equal to 50 terms. Okay, fine. Of which third term is 12. Another third term is 12. Means A3 is equal to 12. Can I put it this way? And the last term is 106. Means what is the last term is? I think last term is A50 is equal to 106. Any doubts? Solve along with me. A50 is equal to 106. What is asked? This is given to you. First of all, you have to write down given barkoli keliri. Then you have to write asked. What is asked to you? You are asked to find out what? A29 is equal to question mark. To find out the nth term of an AP, you need two things. N is already given to you. What else you have to find out? A you have to find out and D you have to find out. You have to find out A first, then you have to get the common difference D continue. To get the A and D, you are writing some linear equations. Like you are given with A3 is equal to 12. What you are given with? We have, what is A3? We have A3 is equal to 12. Can you apply the formula? What is A3 is equal to? A plus, no, third term, nth term of an AP. What is the formula to find out nth term of an AP? A plus n minus 1 into D. Last class. A3 means A plus. What's the very better?
A2 minus 2D.
What is the nth term? A3 is equal to A plus 2D alanidu. N minus 1 means 3 minus 1 D is equal to 12 agudala. Nth term formula. Ida topic kadadadi. But maribaradu adana. Na matte ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು also. A50 is equal to how much? A50 is equal to 106. Means ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. A plus what?
A plus
ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
49D.
ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇತ್ತು? A plus n minus 1 into D ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಎಷ್ಟದ? 50 ಅದ. 50 ದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? 49D. ಬರೀಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಕಲ್ಸಿವಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ನ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 49D is equal to what? 106. Call it as equation number 2. Now what you have to do? Again you have to solving what? Solving 1 and 2. ಎರಡು equation ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? Simultaneously solve. Clear? How to solve? Solve ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you have to write them one below the other. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಬರೀಲಿ A plus 49D. You learned already how to solve linear equations by writing one below the other. Then you have A plus 2D is equal to how much? ಯಾಕೆ? A plus 2D ಇಲ್ಲದ ನೋಡಿ equation 1 ಇದು equation 2 is equal to 12. Subtract. You will get minus here, plus idra minus ಆಗ್ತದ, minus idra plus ಆಗ್ತದ, sign change ಆಗ್ತದ. Straight at earlier classes. A cancels. 49 minus 2 is 47D is equal to 106 minus 2 is 6 minus 2 is 4. 10 minus 1 is 9. Can you solve for D now? What is D is equal to? 94 divided by 47. What do you get? You have 47 ones are 47 twos are. What is 47 2? Note 40 into 40. 80. 7 twos are 14. 80 plus 14. 94. Gudisbarga. Calculation should be done in mind. Because mathematics is a mind subject. You got a D is equal to 2. Any doubts? D sikhti. What else you have to find out? See, what you can get is D is equal to 2. Now you got D. How do you get A? How do you get A? A can be obtained by substituting the D value in equation 1. Substituting another D is equal to 2 in what? In equation 1. That is, you get what? A plus 2D. 2 into what is D is? 2 is equal to how much? 12. Substitute what is D in this equation. You got A by solving them simultaneously. Now you substitute either in this equation or in this equation D value. Then you are left with the A. What do you get? You get A plus 2 twos are 4 is equal to what? 12. Then what is A is equal to 12 minus 4. Then what is A is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8. A is equal to 8. Lastly, what you are asked to find out? You are asked to find out what? You are asked to find out, yes, yes, A29 is asked. Let me run this part. I will go there. What is A29 formula? What is A29 is equal to? A plus 1 the academy. 29 minus 1 is 28 and D. Shabash. Now you substitute A and D value. What is A value? You got it as 8 plus 28 into, what is the value of D is? 2. You get A29 is equal to 8 plus 28 2s are 56. Add them, you will get A29 is equal to 56 plus 8. 56 plus 8, 64. A29 is 64. Let me verify the answer. Answer verify, Madri. Clarify the doubts. This is problem number 13. Okay. Illon question of the note. Any doubts? Shall I take the next one?